Canada province shuts door on new crypto mining ventures. Here's why. Canada. Crypto mining. BC says crypto mining drains large amounts of power but adds little value. So it plans to redirect electricity to industries that create more jobs and investment. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Canadian province British Columbia has moved to ban new cryptocurrency mining projects, tightening control over how its clean electricity is used and ensuring the province's vast hydroelectric power benefits higher-value industries. The province's energy ministry said on Monday that BC Hydro, a government-owned utility, will no longer accept new grid connection requests for crypto mining. The move comes after a 2-year moratorium introduced in 2022, which officials say will now become a long-term policy aimed at protecting energy supplies and avoiding grid strain. Move aims to protect electricity supply for job-intensive and revenue-generating projects. BC, a global exporter of natural resources such as lumber, minerals, and hydropower, plans to redirect available electricity toward industries that create more jobs and revenue for local communities. Future grid connections will be prioritized for sectors like natural gas processing, hydrogen production, and manufacturing. The government said cryptocurrency mining consumes a large amount of energy. However, it provides little economic benefit to the province. Officials believe that redirecting electricity to industries with higher employment and investment potential will create greater public value. In comparison, pending crypto projects would have demanded more than 11,700 gigawatt-hours of power each year. That is enough electricity to supply hundreds of thousands of homes across British Columbia. Province targets balanced grid expansion linking energy supply to job creation. The permanent restriction is part of a broader set of energy policy reforms planned for late 2025. These reforms will determine how industrial electricity is distributed across the province. They will also set rules for fast-growing, high-consumption sectors such as data centers and artificial intelligence. In early 2026, BC Hydro will begin a competitive bidding process to allocate 400 megawatts of power. Of this, 300 megawatts will go to AI projects and 100 to general data centers. The process will run over 2 years. Meanwhile, traditional sectors such as mining, oil and gas, forestry, and manufacturing will continue to have unrestricted access to industrial power, the ministry said. By 2026, construction on new transmission lines is expected to start. The expansion will continue through 2034 to strengthen BC's grid and meet rising industrial demand. Officials said this long-term approach will help link power development with the province's goals of job creation and economic diversification. BC's move reflects global shift toward powering AI over energy-hungry crypto mining. The moratorium introduced in 2022 followed a sharp rise in crypto mining activity across British Columbia. Many companies were drawn to the province by its low-cost and renewable hydroelectric power. Soon after, BC joined other provinces such as Manitoba and Quebec in restricting crypto-related electricity use. The decision came amid growing environmental concerns and the instability of digital asset markets. At the time, policymakers warned that crypto mining consumed vast amounts of energy. They feared it could divert clean power away from households, hospitals, and critical industries. Moreover, they questioned whether the largely automated mining operations brought any real employment or economic value to local communities. Since then, the government's priorities have evolved. Officials now see greater long-term benefits in supporting AI and industrial projects that rely on stable electricity and generate stronger tax and job contributions. They say the move aligns with BC's broader climate objectives and its transition toward a more resilient economy. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Bullish options spike signals massive altcoin rotation from BTC/ETH to XRP and SOL. Live major online platforms face outages amid AWS disruption. Coinbase among those affected. Ethereum price prediction. Examining on-chain metrics after ETH posts solid 24H and 7D gains. XRP price prediction. Ripple's new $1 billion deal could put XRP at the center of Fortune 500 payments. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. On-chain accumulation hits 6-year low. What does the supply squeeze mean for BTC? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring, according to Lunar Crush metrics. 10 hours ago. By Hongji Feng. Bitcoin news. Trump insider whale who scored $160 million in BTC route opens $76 million Bitcoin short at 10x leverage. 1 day ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 15 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 8 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 14 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 14 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 14 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.